Hi, I'm here at our newest listing at 84 Hickory Road in Hampstead, New Hampshire. This beautiful shingle-style home has architectural detail both inside and out, with over 5,000 square feet of living space, including 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. This property is probably one of the most elegant in this area. Come on, let's take a look. If you'd like more information on this property as far as a private showing or any of our other listings, please reach out and call us, paulamartingroup.com.